So you have to have, when you're running in one of the super classes, but a whole second quicker than they used to be. Incredible. And when they first brought that van out, 10 years ago, they did a couple of exploratory burnouts and launches, and then went through the procedure of the observed runs. Everybody on site said, great, it's going fine, guys, this is full power passes. They did that, and then the next meeting they came along to, they pulled a wheelie and the stud gave way on the front and the front wheel fell off. It was the most bizarre thing I'd ever seen. And then, blow me old boots, wind the clock back about 4 years ago, did a burnout on the start line, went to launch, and as they launched, the rear hub slid off and the rear wheel fell off. I think down here, and of course the lovely, the cuddly, I shouldn't say these things, like an easy lap's called up, the lovely Jeff Thurston down there in his Mustang. One of the stalwart Santapod racing team. Loves nothing more than doing the Chelsea cruise in that Mustang, but more importantly, he loves doing the tunnel run. That's where they go through all the tunnels in London. They really give it a whoop as they go in through. Everybody does it. But when you've got an engine that sounds like that, oh man, that must be heaven on earth. And a 10, a 1, a 5, with an 8. Here's the quickest thing the course England's done. Now, if I remember right, this van ran about a 12 earlier. We'll tell me in a second or two. It won't be on the front screen, so... Wheelie bars on a van, it's not something you'll see every day. And then Dave's got a 4-block, we know it's quick, that has the slots in the back balance. 4 wheelie bars, it's not got them on it. Yeah, oh, it's a 12.09 about that. We're looking for an 11 on this run. Mind boggling. Oh no! Got the power all over like this. Well, I said it, 10.49 for the pop, but wow. If whatever happened, hadn't happened then, you'd have seen it. You'd have seen an 11 alright. Well, fingers crossed, nothing too serious going on there, because it's when people do expensive damage. We like things that that slips, we can do that back up, or we've got a spare